I was in the shed.
Nanny?
No, you was in the shed.
Yeah. We wouldn't let her in, she got to live in there. Just wave it around and write your name.
Write your name.
Go on, Baines.
When I look at it after.
Baines, try not to put yourself in the eye, yeah? I'll have one in a minute. Oh, can I have one?
No.
I want to play.
No, you're not good enough.
Can I play?
No, you're not good enough.
Thank you.
Oh, look, Mummy's got one.
Oh.
You got to write your name, Mum.
Merry Christmas.
It's bonfire. Right.
Merry Christmas.
Oh my God. Susie wants a sparkler.
Where did that come from? What thingy? The thingy above you.
The washing line.
Yeah. No, Mum, make it hot. I've got to write my name really quick. I've got a really long name though. Yeah, but you're going to get it to me. Okay, let me try again. Why is my name so long? You say I'm special. You are special, that's where you get it from. Oh. Mum, it's flying everywhere.
What did you do that for?
Well, you made the tea, so I'm working out why you left the tea bags on the floor.
My brain just misfires now and again.
Oh, okay. Well, this is not
Sorry
in the
about
fridge, eh? Shall we put them back in the cupboard where they live? Look, cupboard. And then you shut.
Sorry about that.
The door.
Look at these, the giants. Giant mallows.
American, I'd be used to it because they're American marshmallows.
Mallows.
To us, they're like, oh my god, but to them, they're like, that's normal.
Yeah, everything's on a giant scale.
Exactly.
I think they should do even bigger ones, like the size of cups.
Do you reckon?
Yep.
Cool. Do you, did you have a cookie?
No, not yet. You alright, Susie? So I look stupid.
She's going to get hot in here, Lana.
I look stupid and, yeah. No, she won't. It's freezing. That's where Mum lives.
Are these your own recipes?
Are these my recipe? No, they're right. You buy the dough.
Oh, you nearly caught a glass.
You buy the dough. Oh, look pretty. Yeah, I can't go shit. Wait, did you see that?
Oh, I've got smoke in my eye.
What's that?
Bigger and bigger and bigger.
No, where did the chair go? It's my chair
Stop wiping Mello on Karen. Are you okay? Did she abuse you?
You like slug juice on me.
What?
I know what I'm like for slugs.
It was an actual
I
slug.
don't like. No, I don't
Why
like
did you wipe slug juice on her?
Wait, slug juice.
I've got a real thing for slugs that I don't like.
Harry, that was a baby slug.
It's not even funny.
The thing where he's a proper psycho, he killed someone.
What?
Yeah.
Whoa! They're making me jump.
He literally left him rotting there. Ooh. A minging. Yeah.
You need to get your phone back from that fire, madam. I love how my kids listen to me, innit?
I did listen. I put it back. If you watch you,
These fireworks really pretty, Ellie.
they're scary, you know. Neither do I, but everything out there.
Yeah, and that's Winnie the Pooh she's watching.
I'm watching all of those Christmas films that you don't like.
The corny ones. Who's that in the shed?
The lovely
There's a strange woman in the shed.
Another woman in the bed.
Yeah.
Another woman.
She's got a heater. All nice and warm. Binky lived in there. It's nice in there. Definitely. Definitely.
I ate too much pizza.
Work. Mind your hair, madam.
Yeah, madam.
Madam.
Oh, I got something.
Cookie.
I want another one.
You can have one. You had one earlier, and you can have another one next week. Here you go. What are you doing?
Thank you.
What are you doing?
Okay.
Should put everyone on first. Riff Raff! Riff Raff! Come here.
What's a riff raff?
What do you think, Susie?
Yes, dear.
I don't want anything, I just wanted to call you.
Hi, riff raff.
On camera, please. What is it? What is it? Tell me. Tell me. You're pregnant.
I look pregnant.
No,
Can
you
turn it
don't.
off, please?
Riff Raff. Okay, okay. Susie, give it a kiss. Ready? Mwah.
I'm gonna give it one.
Mwah. Aren't these pretty?
Yeah. They really are.
Sound of those fireworks.
Nice arch there.
It does. Looks a lot better than in the bedroom.
Yeah.
Mum, you've got a fire out here. You've got a dog out here. So you're perfectly alright. You can live there. Yeah, don't need a bed, do you? There's a trunk there. You can get in that.
I'm getting that.
And you got your heater. All sorts. And you've even got bunting. She's like, what are you talking about? This is not Nan's shed. It's my shed.
Is this where you go?
She got locked in. The
What,
door,
here?
yeah, the door was too.
Oh.
And she pushed her way in, and the door closed behind her. She couldn't get back out.
Oh.
Binky's out the garden. Nope, knocks as a fire.